Hey, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, messing around till the camera starts playing. Sometimes my internet's slow to react. Today we are going to talk about, it's day 20 of 30 super successful business owners that were asked, if you lost everything and had to start over from scratch, what would you do the first 30 days to get back on track, to regain everything that you'd lost? And today we're going to talk about the QOHTS strategy. I don't know if you pronounce it quotes, but I'm going to call it quotes because it starts with a Q and HOTS or hot quotes or whatever. But we're going to talk about that strategy. And really it is the ultimate funnel or the ultimate sales process to get people into your business. It's called a funnel, but it's a sales process. This is by a gentleman by the name of Dean Holland, and he has titled his presentation, How to Come Up with a Valid Product Idea and Create a Webinar Strategy that Optimizes Your High-Ticket Sales. Now, I know that most of you have no idea what all of that means, and that's why I changed it to QOHTS strategy, which stands for Quickly Optimize High-Ticket Sales, because almost every one of us in some way, shape, or form can offer some kind of a high-dollar, high-value offering to our customers or our clientele, the people that we're already serving or the people that we want to serve if we're just starting out. And I'm going to walk you through how Dean does that or recommends that we do that. And he starts out like many by, since the assumption is no money, no resources except for a ClickFunnels piece of software account for creating an online sales process or an online sales funnel, and your internet connection and what knowledge and information you have in your head, your past experiences, because we always take those with us no matter what. No one can take those from us. We always have those. That's why failure isn't a big deal anymore, because if you fail or you mess something up, you still have the lesson that you learned from that and all of the things that led you up to that experience, so you can just pick yourself up, brush yourself off, and start over again. So let's hear how Dean would do it. The first thing he would do is join Facebook groups and go out on Facebook and try to find the people that have the people already that he wants to interact with and talk to and serve with his product or service. Then he says he would go out and he would survey and ask those people in those groups or in those forums or in those blogs or wherever that he finds them congregating what they want, what they need most. He would do an ask campaign, which means he would ask them, hey, I'm thinking about creating a course on A, B, or C. Which one do you like best? And then people would vote, and he's going to bribe them to vote because he says people tend to be a little bit lazy and will just ignore things, but you have to give them some incentive. So he'd bribe them by giving away a copy of his course for free to one random lucky winner who answers his survey. And that's how he's going to find out exactly what topic to create a product, a course, and a service around. And he's going to do something with funnels because that's his area of expertise. He's going to help people create funnels and help them with all the things that funnels will do for their business, like getting them leads on autopilot, bringing more business, helping them do automatic sales, having a 24/7 salesperson working for them. So he's going to come up with a $997 offer of a course, a 6-week course, and he's going to lead that to a high-ticket coaching program where he is going to charge at minimum of $5,000 to coach people in small groups or in groups to get the success that they want in terms of what he's offering for his industry. In this case, he's creating funnels for people and teaching them how to do and use funnels for their business. And actually, he's teaching them how to create the ultimate funnel, the funnel model that he uses to build his business. So then he's going to create his webinar, he's going to deliver his webinar, he's going to promote to his webinar. And the awesome twist that he adds in how he does it is he goes out and he sees what other people are launching new products in like the last 30 days or in the next 30, 60, or 90 days. And he contacts them to joint venture and offer to help launch their product and share their product on his platforms with his audience if they'll do the same for him. And that's how he's going to reach the people that he wants to reach the fastest and break into the new industry that he's breaking into. So he's going to look for not competitive, but complementary product launches. So if somebody else was teaching their ultimate funnel, their version of the ultimate funnel, he's not going to partner with them, right? But he's going to partner with people that could benefit from having the ultimate funnel in their businesses and in their life. And then after he does the webinar, he's going to do some really cool things to customize the people that he partners with and joint ventures with. He's going to go above and beyond what other people do. And he asks a really cool question. He asks, and I want to find it because he says it so well, what can I do that others aren't or won't bother with? And he doesn't just do that for his customers. He does it for his customers, but he also does it with the people that he does joint venture and affiliate partnerships with. He goes above and beyond by personalizing websites for them, by personalizing memos and information and ways of sharing his webinar with them that they can go out and easily share with their audience. He offers to do podcasts with them or live webinars with them to their audience, which is great value. And then when he gets done with all of this, he is going to find and create a free plus shipping offer for the front end of his business, because he knows that customers are much more valuable on the webinar than just people that find him randomly through an advertisement or something. So he wants to warm up the people by having them get a little feel or buy a little piece of a product that he's created and service, so they are more apt to want to participate in the course. And he does that through a free plus shipping offer. And then on the back end, with his ultimate funnel, it's the free plus shipping offer, then it's the webinar, then it's the high ticket offer, the coaching offer. So that is his ultimate funnel. So our action item for today is to ask yourself the question, what can I do for others, my customers, or for potential joint venture partners to share what it is that I offer? What can I do for them that other people won't do, aren't willing to do, or just don't bother to do because they don't think that it's necessarily important? What can I do to go above and beyond to serve my partners better and my customers better? And then just think about, how could I maybe create a free plus shipping offer, a main product, and a higher ticket offer for my unique business? That's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to learn about the podcasting strategy, which has become one of my favorites because it's easy and almost anybody can do it. You just have to believe you can. That's it. I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Get out there, supersize your business. You got this.